Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, we talk about everything: beauty trends, self-image, lifestyle, social issues, and little conversations that affect every person. Today's topic is very important, especially in this generation where beauty standards are constantly changing on social media. We're going to talk about the downsides of microblading eyebrows, the advantages of keeping your natural eyebrows, and some honest advice for women who want to look glamorous without damaging their natural beauty. This video is not meant to attack anyone who has done microblading. Everybody has freedom to choose their beauty style. The goal of this video is simply to educate, to create awareness, and encourage women to think carefully before making permanent or semi-permanent changes to their faces. So, stay tuned until the end. Let's talk about microblading, the cosmetic procedure where tiny cuts are made on the skin and pigment is inserted to create eyebrow-like strokes. Many people do it to achieve fuller, darker, and more shaped eyebrows. On social media, microbladed eyebrows are often presented as glamorous, modern, and perfect. Many influencers and celebrities have contributed to making this beauty trend very, very popular. But behind the glamorous photos and filters, there are realities many people do not discuss openly. Let me highlight some of the downsides of microblading eyebrows. And the first one is the results may not look natural. One of the biggest complaints people have after microblading is that the eyebrows sometimes look too artificial. The shape may become too sharp, too dark, too thick, or uneven. Some people later realize that the brows do not match their face naturally. Trends also change. What looks fashionable today may look outdated after a few years. And natural eyebrows usually flow with your facial features better because they were designed naturally to your face. The second downside is that it can damage your natural eyebrows. Repeated microblading procedures can damage hair follicles around the eyebrow area. Some women notice thinning eyebrows after years of repeated touch-ups. And in such cases, the natural eyebrow hair does not grow back properly. And this can create dependency where someone feels forced to continue microblading because their natural brows no longer look healthy. The third downside is the risk of infections and allergic reactions. Because microblading involves cutting the skin, there is always a risk of infection if hygiene standards are poor. Some people also react badly to the pigments used. This can cause swelling, itching, scarring, or skin irritation. And in some unfortunate situations, people end up with permanent scars or discoloration around the eyebrow area. The fourth downside of microblading that I have is the color can change over time. As in, many people do not realize that microbladed eyebrows may fade into strange colors over time. Some turn reddish, gray, bluish, or uneven as the pigment breaks down in the skin. Instead of looking glamorous, the eyebrows may eventually require expensive correction procedures. The fifth one is it is expensive to maintain. Microblading is not usually a one-time process. Most people require touch-ups every several months or years, depending on skin type and lifestyle. And this means continuous spending of money just to maintain a certain appearance. Some women later regret spending large amounts of money chasing perfect blows. Last but not least, the sixth downside is that social media pressure can create insecurity. One dangerous thing about beauty trends is comparison. Many women begin feeling unattractive simply because social media constantly promotes perfect faces. And some people start believing their natural eyebrows are not beautiful enough. But the truth is this: beauty trends come and go. Natural beauty never fully goes out of style. There are advantages of staying with natural eyebrows, and one is natural eyebrows age better. Natural eyebrows usually change naturally with age and facial expressions. They maintain authenticity and harmony with your face. You avoid the risk of awkward shapes or fading pigments years later. The second advantage is that you save money. Keeping your natural eyebrows means fewer beauty maintenance costs. Simple grooming, trimming, and healthy skincare are often enough to keep eyebrows looking neat and beautiful. The third advantage is less risk to your skin. Natural eyebrows do not expose you to braids, pigments, infections, or allergic reactions. Your skin remains untouched and healthier in the long run. The fourth advantage is you maintain your unique look. One problem with beauty trends is that many people start looking similar. Natural eyebrows preserve your individuality and unique facial identity. Sometimes the features people are trying to fix are actually what make them beautiful and memorable. So, if you are considering microblading, do not rush because of trends or pressure from social media. Ask yourself, am I doing this for myself or because I feel pressured? Have I researched the risks properly? Am I emotionally comfortable with possible long-term changes? Ask yourself, can I accept the results if they do not turn out perfectly? If you still decide to do it, choose a qualified and experienced professional. Check hygiene standards carefully. Avoid cheap procedures that compromise safety and understand that trends change. Remember that beauty should never cost your peace, confidence, or health. And most importantly, never hate your natural appearance. There is absolutely nothing wrong with natural eyebrows. You do not need to copy every beauty trend to be attractive. As I conclude this video, beauty trends should never make people feel incomplete naturally. Microblading may work well for some people, but it also comes with risks and long-term consequences many people ignore. Natural beauty is still valuable. Before changing your face permanently or semi-permanently, think carefully, research properly, and make decisions from confidence, not pressure. At the end of the day, everybody has freedom to choose their appearance. But true beauty is not only about trends, makeup, or cosmetic procedures. Confidence, self-respect, good character, and authenticity also matter greatly. Whether you choose microblading or natural eyebrows, make sure your decision comes from self-love and wisdom, not insecurity. Thank you so much, my people, for watching this video until the end. If you found this discussion helpful, educational, or thought-provoking, make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not yet subscribed, and turn on the notifications so that you never miss any future content. Please also leave a comment here below. I want to hear from you. Would you ever consider microblading eyebrows, or do you prefer natural beauty? Stay safe, stay confident, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.